improved all the sonics as well.
Sure.
So what we did is, first of all, we replaced all the drivers. We improved the tweeters. We went to a real dedicated mid-range driver rather than a full range, which we used to use in the past. We went from 3 amplifiers now to 5 amplifiers. So every single driver has its own distinct amplifier. It's 25 watts times 4, tweeter mid, and then a 50-watt amplifier for the bass driver itself. So, so better speakers, or better drivers, better amps. What we also did is we changed the way we actually pull the audio from the iPod or iPad or iTouch. It used to be that it was done in the analog domain, so we were probably slaves to the DAC inside of whatever the component was. So now what we do is we pull it off in the digital domain. Everything gets up converted to a 24-bit 96K signal. So significant audio improvements, and we redid the digital signal processing board. So DSP is also completely different on it as well. And we added something called flow bore, which is able to get air out of the cabinet faster, which improves the sound. That was borrowed from 800 series technology. All that being said, we now have also incorporated AirPlay. And so the way this works is you open up the box, you plug your Zeppelin into the wall, you go to your home computer, you open up a web browser, no matter what it is. We give you a distinct URL to type in. What that does is it goes and finds the Zeppelin, and you activate it. You can relabel it if you'd like to. We have multiple throughout the home, kitchen, bedroom, whatever you want to call it. So once that process is done, you will open up iTunes, and you will look for the AirPlay knob or AirPlay button right on there. Once you press that, you go out and search for the corresponding one you want to play. Once you have that done, play a song, and now you're transmitting wirelessly over to the Zeppelin.
So will any proprietary, Apple software work with this? Let's say Spocker radio,
anything that is an audio Apple-related product will work with it. Absolutely.
And the price point you said was, I believe, $5.99.
Right. Yep.
Okay. And additionally, so again, you said if you have multiple, you'll be able to stream between one and another. Can you play music on multiple Zeppelin Airs?
Great question. So initially from an iPad, an iTouch, or an iPhone, no. It's only going to do one or another. However, what you do is open up iTunes on your regular home computer, which is where your files are stored, and then activate Often. And so it turns them all on. So you think, okay, how am I going to control this now? Real easy. You go to the Apple Store, you or the App Store, download Apple Remote, and wander around your house as long as you got
your iTunes, which is controlling your Zeppelin Air at the same time. Great. All right, thank you very much.
Cool.